What's going on, YouTube? Tin Can Gardener here. So, been seeing all these posts by the Arkansas woodcutter about shed wars. And I figured, at first, not exactly my cup of tea, I'm not really into ragging on people or whatever. But then, it was explained to me exactly what it's all about. And I'm going to go ahead and get in on it. I will be on Team Willitgrow. And yeah, from what I understand, Team Willitgrow is up in the Northeast. Team Arkansas Woodcutter is obviously in Arkansas, out west. And I am down here in South Florida. So the things that I'll be covering, most of the things like kale and lettuce and Swiss chard, they can be grown here, but it's got to be done in the winter months. This is off season for this kind of stuff. Well, not the kale, but these two things are off season. I can grow more in the winter months, I'm just messing with that. But I still grow a lot of tomatoes and peppers and eggplants and tomatillos. But I can grow things down here that you really can't grow up north if you don't have a really good greenhouse, and a pretty big one too, like cacao, chocolate. These are guavas. See the ants? Because they have aphids and whitefly, and I gotta take care of that. I gotta spray that down again. This is a citrus, and the type is, it's a doggone it, it's a Dante, but these are tangerines. There we go. I knew I'd get it out eventually. So Dante tangerines. So, and they really do smell different. If you want to know what citrus smells, the type of citrus that you're getting, smell the leaves. They really resemble pretty much what the rind of the fruit's going to be like. Yes, but we grow tomatoes down here and stuff that most of you guys up north grow. But we also grow things like Brazilian cherry, mango, more citrus. This citrus has leaf curl going on and some citrus greening. What you got to do with this is do a drench down at the root, so the psyllid that causes this gets killed whenever they chew on leaves. So I got to give me some drench. We also grow things like Loquat, and this is my jackfruit. This fruit can get up to 100 pounds. So, and with that being said, my big dog that pees on everything. Whenever you're growing trees, you got to really make sure that you know where all your power lines are. This was put in after the tree. That's cable or what have you. But like these here, these trees that you see all up in here, those are Brazilian peppers. And those things will get 40 foot tall. So down here, we're constantly cutting them off the fence and trying to get them to where they're not growing up into the wires, which is a big deal down here. Brazilian pepper is very invasive. What else do we grow down here? A lot of citrus, mulberries, but those can be grown up north too. Dragon fruit. It can be grown up north. It can be managed. But, I would not suggest, if you don't have a lot of space, getting into this. And now, on to the next plant. We also have Acerola Cherries. They have 3 seeds, and they have more vitamin C than citrus. Over here, mulberries. Again, you can grow these pretty much anywhere. This is a tree, but I'm keeping it as a bush. Beautiful. I mean, these things are just, let me show you that. Oh, I just had it focused. See if it focuses. Ah, there we go. Delicious. This This is a Surinam Cherry. You got to make really sure to know if you like this. They got to get real dark before you can eat them. A mess of dragon fruit. Tomatillos. Like I said, some things we can grow down here, some things are harder than others. This is my, I do believe this spaghetti squash, but you can tell how it's growing. It's not doing so hot because of the dreaded pickle worm. My one seed of corn that came up might be my one seed challenge. I know it ain't gonna do nothing, but it is what it is. The beans are the blue blau. They're German purple beans. There's my kale over there. This tree is a chocolate pudding fruit, black sapote, another subtropical tree. Like I said, we grow some tomatoes here. I've been growing tomatoes my whole life, and these are called mega blooms. And whenever I get one of these, I take all the other flowers off so I get one big solid tomato. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, moving on. More tomatoes, and more tomatoes. And down here in South Florida, yard chores are year-round, except for hurricane season. But then you get yard chores after that. These are cabbage palms. We're just trying to get them out of here. Or I'm sorry, fan palms. Yeah, fan palms. Just trying to get them out of here. They're just a pain. There's a Brazilian pepper tree right there on the back of it, so it's kind of annoying. And we're moving on. Trying to keep this video as quick as possible. Beans. Another mango tree. As you can see, I have wine glass this one. This is a Meyer Lemon. Seems to be doing well. I'm gonna have to see that. Leaf miners, not good. We also grow pineapples down here. Like that right there. These are going to be delicious. My wife loves them. Sunflowers, always good for a chop crop. This is cassava or yucca. This is peaches. Now, usually we can't grow these down here, but these are like chill hours are only 150 chill hours, so very low chill hours. I'm going to, this is just, we just picked the fruit off this, so I'm going to be cutting this back soon. I'm trying to air layer it. Bananas, we grow bananas down here. Yes, and I got to put more bananas around there and just kind of keep it moist. They like moist, they eat a lot. Also, we grow star fruit or crambola. Yes, very, very good. And then, check that out. I think this is what's setting off my allergies. Palm blooms. Okay. Got bees all over the yard because I got 2 hives. Trying to get 3 or 4. That'd be good. Start splitting hives. Another banana. Usually you only have 3. The father, the son, and the grandfather. Crambola. Passion flower. Grows everywhere. Passion fruit. Grows everywhere around here. Same passion fruit that you get in your yogurt. Well, not the same, but same family. This is dragon fruit. This is another one of those subtropical things that's a cactus. I put mine on the fence. Usually they grow these on posts that are 6 foot tall concrete posts. And that usually suffice. I'm growing mine on the fence. I got to spray them down. Keep the ants out of them because ants like to put aphids in there. And it's, oh, check that out. A green anole. I haven't seen one of those in a while. There he goes. Wow, that's pretty cool. The Cuban anoles are really big. That's a little dude. He's really green. Cool. Anyways, yes, we have lizards down here everywhere. I know some other places have them too. 3 more of my bananas. That one's getting ready to throw a spike. You tell they swell up at the bottom. And what else we got? We have a silk floss tree. This thing has spikes on it that are just ridiculous. I got 3 different species, actually 4 different of these trees, and hopefully they start flowering soon. But as you can see, we got pests down here, like the Sri Lanka weevil that eats everything. Little white beetle with black spots. So, yeah. Down here in South Florida, things just grow all over everything. We also can grow things like pitcher plants and orchids. Down here, if you have things like aloe, they actually throw a flower. And here's a fig. My first fig of the year. I'm very excited about that. So these are some things that we grow down here in South Florida. And yeah, that's what's been going on, guys. And hopefully y'all enjoyed that. So be getting into shed wars for Team Will It Grow. Hopefully all this comes out well, because I've already tried to make this video 3 times. Yeah, that's the YouTube life. So hopefully Team Will It Grow will accept me on their battlefield of shed wars. And I'll show you a quick clip of my shed. It's pretty scary looking, so. Yep, there's my shed, all laid up. Anybody who knows anything about construction, they put hardy board as the roof and just tarred over it. It was horrible. They didn't do the pitch right. They did nothing right here. It's totally destroyed on the inside with water damage. And over there's my little metal shed, and it's like I'm a hurricane away from being shedless, which doesn't surprise me. And my chickens. So, alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go ahead and throw my hashtag for shed wars and Team Will It Grow. Alright guys, have a good one.